By far, this is one of the most commonly asked questions, that what is the difference between Power BI and Tableau, which one we should go for, and so on and so forth. Now, let me tell you about this based on my years of experience into BI technologies. I'll be talking about four major differences between Power BI and Tableau, right? Why we talk about, by the way, in about these two technologies only a lot, because these are the major one in the market as of now, and out of that, Power BI is the market leader, as we have already seen in the previous video, that how it came to the top position as per the Gartner survey, right? Okay, now what about the four things which I was talking about? The very first thing is the calculation, which is known as DEX functions in Power BI, something which do not have there into the Tableau BI program. Tableau do not have the calculation part as such, where you can put in the formulas. In-depth calculation can't be done into Tableau as compared to Power BI. The backbone of Power BI is DEX functions. The DEX stands for data analysis expression, is a way of writing the functions, and trust me, with the help of DEX, you can actually get way ahead analysis of the data, which can't be done into Tableau. That simple. So the first reason is why Tableau is ahead, or the major difference between Tableau and Power BI is DEX function. The another one I would talk about is an ETL tool. I believe that I've discussed about that earlier also. ETL is what? Extract, transform, and load. Once you would like to use a BI technology, you have to first go through with an ETL process. First you extract the data, then you transform the data, then you load the data into Power BI or any BI technology, right? Now that ETL process is being supported by an ETL tool. Now, Tableau do not have its own ETL tool. If you want to do an ETL process, you have to rely on a third-party ETL tool. One of the major one is Informatica. On the other hand, Power BI has its own ETL tool, which is known as Power Query. Another difference, right? So first one is DEX, another one is an ETL tool. The third one I would talk about is visuals that we have into Power BI and Tableau. Now, if you talk about the visuals, clearly in Tableau, the visuals are very much smooth, right? On the other hand, in Power BI, it is actually improving on a monthly basis. That is what I like about Power BI a lot. If you go back a couple of years ago, you won't find that advanced visuals which are now present into Power BI. Now they have AI based visual, also artificial intelligence, like key influencer, they have decomposition tree, and what more, Q&A. You can simply ask the question from the visual and they can simply populate the data based on its technology. And also, if these are not enough for you, you can simply go to the marketplace and enable the third party visuals into Power BI, which has been certified by Microsoft. So pretty much safe to use it in an organization. So third point, which is the difference, is the visualization. The fourth one is the cost, something which actually concerns an organization. Now, the cost of Power BI is actually minimal as compared to Tableau. Tableau is way costly, and on the other hand, Power BI right now, at the time of recording this video, the cost of one pro license is around 660 rupees, which is approx $10 per month per user, right? And that is actually Power BI service. If you talk about the Power BI desktop application, where you perform 80% of the tasks, that is absolutely free. In fact, you need not to share your email ID with the Microsoft. You just simply need to download the desktop application, play around with it, use it completely free. Only at the time of sharing the report with someone, you have to pay to the Microsoft, because that time you have to buy a pro license. So I hope these four differences clear up your mind based on which technology you should go with. And let me tell you also one more thing, that a lot of organizations are moving from Tableau. They are migrating from Tableau towards Power BI because of its backbone, that was the text function, that kind of in-depth analysis, something is impossible in any other BI tool in the market. Thank you.